unboxing of the Nikon D7000. The D7000 was released in mid-October of 2010, and it is supposed to be the update to the Nikon D90. It has a whole bunch of features. I'll explain to you on some other review later, so let's open the box already. Okay, so here it is, the brand new Nikon D7000. I'll take you for a spin around the box. It's very much like every other Nikon DSLR box. The Nikon logo and the model name is plastered on every side, except one, which includes the camera specs and the details. Okay, so here we go. Let's open the box and find out what's inside. Right off the bat, we have the user's manual. It's just as thick as every other Nikon camera's user's manual, so I'm going to have a lot of fun reading that, but let's put that aside for now. That right there is probably the camera, and it's really hard to take out, so let's go for the accessory box first, right here. Alright, so here it is, the accessory box. Let's find out what's in there. Got a power cable. Okay, we also have what looks like to be an eyepiece cover. Another power adapter piece. Looks like to be the battery charger. The battery. USB cable, a TV out cable, and of course the Nikon sling. Alright, so let's now move on to the main event, the camera, which you all have been waiting for. Wrapped in some bubble wrap, and look, they triple wrapped it in a box, bubble wrap, and another bag. And here it is, the Nikon D7000 in full flesh. And look at that, very big LCD screen. It looks fantastic. It's probably going to work fantastic too. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a 360-degree tour around the camera. Let you take a look at it. The camera feels very solidly built. Definitely like one of the professional series cameras. The body feels very much like a D90 in terms of size. And here you have that turn dial to select your shooting modes, as well as second turn dial on the bottom for additional shooting modes. Alright, so let's try to fire this thing up. So let's first put the battery in so it's got some juice. Hopefully it came pre-charged. As you can see, the battery cover's on the bottom. There's a little lever to open it up. Right there, if you can see that yellow thing, that's actually a latch that latches onto the battery. That did not exist in older models. Here's the memory card slots, and here's a close-up. As you can see, there's space for 2 SD cards. That's absolutely amazing. Alright, so let's turn it on. Here we go. Oh, there it is. Alright, select the language, English. My time zone, and wow, look at that screen, it's just absolutely amazing. Very clear, very bright. there we go. Look at that mini screen on the top. Shows all the shooting information and information like that. There's another close-up of the top. And there you have it. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to put on a lens to see how it looks with a lens on. And here it is with the lens on. And also an FYI, that lens is not the kit lens, so if any of you guys were wondering why this lens doesn't look quite right, well, it's not the 18-55 kit lens. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to put the strap on. Still trying to put the strap on. I have no idea why I'm having such difficulty, so let's double time. Okay, and I'm going to show you the battery connector next. Here it is. It looks very nice, very sleek, and very different from the older ones. On the top, as you can see, I have the short plug-in. That's very nice because now the battery charger is integrated into one unit, so you can't really lose the other cable. But they included the other cable anyway. As you can see right here, the battery goes in there. It's very different from previous Nikon chargers. Okay, on the left side of the camera you have all your connector ports. USB, HDMI, TV out, microphone, as well as GPS. Alright, so here I'm just going to show you a comparison with the other Nikon cameras. On the right, D700, in the middle, the D7000, and on the left, the Nikon D40. And here they are from the back. Notice how similar the D700 and the 7000 are, despite the $1,000 difference. Thanks for watching my video unboxing of the Nikon D7000. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my